Hey guys, we're back with another video, and this is the top 20 challenge, and the challenge is secret identity. So I'm going to start by pulling the front of my hair back, and then I'm going to move on to priming my face with the NYX Hydratouch Primer. After that, I'll be moving on to brows, and I'll be doing them a little bit more natural. This time starting by brushing my hairs up and then lightly filling them in, and only carving out with foundation with light coverage in the bottom of the brows. Then I'm going to move on to priming my face and adding glow with the Away We Glow Strobing Cream. Further priming my face with the NYX Dewey Finishing Setting Spray, and then I'm going to be moving on to foundation. Now with the NYX HD Concealer, I'm going to be highlighting my face as I would normally do. Then I'm going to move on to cream contouring with the NYX Cream Contour Palette, and I'll be taking the first contour shade. And after that, I'll be setting my under eyes with translucent powder. Now I'll be taking the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder and setting the rest of my face. I'm moving on to snatching the cheekbones and giving me myself a little lovely glow. Applying blush, and I'm using the Sweet Chic palette from NYX, and I'm applying the orange blush. Now for the eyes, I'm going to be priming my eyes with the NYX HD Concealer. For my transition shade, I'm using a mixture of two blushes from the NYX Sweet Chics palette. For my second color, using red eyeshadow. And to give more dimension to my eye, I'm going in with a burgundy shade and really going in that crease. For my lid, I'm applying a red loose pigment. Now repeating these same 3 transition shades to my lower lash line. Jumbo eye pencil in dark brown. And it's puppy time! Meet Loki Loomis. We don't know his name, but say hi. And now I'm moving on to the Worthy Hype Mascara and the NYX Wicked Eyelashes. Applying a nude lip and mixing it with the Downtown Beauty Liquid Suede and to make it glossy using the NYX Lip Oil. I have to say that I've never done a red smoky eye on me and I love it. And now here I present to you the witch. Now let's move on to the creepy gory part. With liquid latex, I'm going to be sketching the size of my wound, and after that I'm going to go over top of it with cotton and then keep doing layers of cotton, latex, until I get the desired amount and shape of my wound. As I go on, I'm going to be shaping everything with my fingers and also the handle of my brush. Here, I'm just making sure that every edge is well blended into my skin. Now I'm taking a face mask and mixing it with red and green food coloring to get my desired gray color. I'm applying face mask because I wanted a crack to my face and I feel like this is the best way. Now do this with caution, do this at your own risk. You can get a chemical burn because obviously you're gonna stay with this for more than 15 minutes like me because I was filming a look. Now I'm moving on to shading my Bad Witch look, and I'm first starting off with a red eyeshadow and applying that to my crease and a little bit above my brow. For the second shade, I'm using a brown color and then a black color on my lid, and I repeated the same steps on my lower lash line. After everything dried and cracked, I sprayed myself with white spray hair. Now again, do this at your own risk. It says that it's not safe for the face or the eyes, but you know how to do it for the YouTube. Now I'm moving on to contouring my face, and I first start off with black, then red, and then brown, and keep building up those colors until I get the color desired. And I'm also adding shades like that to the places I think it needs it to make myself look more gore. Now we need to contour the body, and I'm going in with the same 3 shades, red, brown, and black. I'm contouring in my normal places, but also adding dimension in other places that I think it needs it. Now moving on to shading the wound and covering that up. I first started using eyeshadow all around, and then where I thought it needed more coverage and more color, I started going in with the NYX SFX paints. I went in with the brown, the black, and the red, and also the white to just, you know, add that dimension of the white skin that we have going on with the cracks. To make that shadow of the wound, I took the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. And now I'm moving on to applying blood. I love applying blood, honestly. I'm taking some scat blood, food coloring, and stage blush, and just like adding it where I think it needs. This, I think you just need to be creative with blood. Yes, be creative on where you apply your blood. Here I took some stage blood and started dripping it around my look, on my eyes and my wound. Felt like the wound area was missing something, so I took a brush and started splattering stage blood. And here's the evil witch. This is my top 20 look. In the description box, the link for voting will be available, and thank you so much for getting me to the top 20. Thank you for all your support. I hope you support me on this one. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.